2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. With less than 71,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.